Hey friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a mask out of a regular t-shirt. So I just have an older t-shirt I had of Hanes. It's 50% cotton, 50% polyester. What you want to do is, first off, you're going to find the edges and take a paper clip and just kind of bend it like this. So I have like one little part here, and these are going to be our little hooks. So you can usually find the edge. Is you lay this down, find the edges of your t-shirt, and you can just poke it right through the hole there. I kind of did some sewing on this one before, so my hole is actually going through right here. But normally I would be putting it here on the very edge, on each edge. So what you want to do, just put your paper clip through here like that, so it's hooked on one side, just like that. And then just kind of close that part up so it's kind of together like that. So this is going to be a hook along with the other one. Okay, so same thing on the other side. We've got our hole here. You can just poke it through with this if you want, just poke it through, or you can cut a little hole in like the seam part, and that'll be extra strong there. So I'm just gonna run my paper clip through here, one edge through the hole, and then just kind of close it up. So basically how it's gonna hook up together around behind your head is just like that, okay? And it's going to hook together. All right, so now for the fun part. Now that's basically how you do it. I'm going to show you how to put this on and everything, and it's super easy. But now we are going to do a little bit of a fun thing, and this is something you can do with the family, crafting or whatever. What you want to do is take a t-shirt and turn it inside out. Okay, and once it's inside out, the front part, so your tag is going to be down, front part, or the part that's up right now, let's see, so that would be tag, so this is the tag right here, and the tag is going to be face down, okay, and so on the back of the t-shirt here, as it's face down, you're going to draw whatever you want. But just remember, this part's going to be for where your face, your mouth is going to be, your nose is going to be here, your eyes up here. And so I drew like a mouth here, okay? So I got my big old teeth, and I got the red lips or the red inside the mouth or whatever like that. So that's the mouth I drew. And now, if you flip that over, okay, still inside out, just imagine that this part is going to be your head cover. So basically this is going to be going over the top of your head. So what you could do is just have some fun, and this you can do with the kids or whatever to help design masks and just have fun with it. But I'm going to draw some eyebrows like right here. Okay, just bushy eyebrows, and right about in the middle is where it's going to be on the shirt anyways. Okay, and then draw some part down the middle here, and we're just going to draw some hair all over here. Now this is going over the top of your head, so get that straightened out. So yeah, you guys could challenge each other so you can make the best looking mask, and you know, just have fun with it. Since we're all on lockdown, we're all spending more time with our families, hopefully, and keeping everybody safe by going out only when necessary. So this is going to actually go over the head if you want it to. You don't have to, but it's kind of a cool option if you want to. So there we go. I do some eyebrows and some hair. We can go ahead and turn our t-shirt right side out again. Okay, so there we go. We got our clips in. Super easy to do. Remember, this is the mouth you drew when you turn it inside out. So now I'm going to show you guys how to put this thing on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, my friends, you want to put this on just like you would a regular t-shirt. So tag in the back, go ahead and just put that in over your head just like that. Okay, so that's the first step. Just put the t-shirt on till it's like on the head parts over your ears and over your nose like that. All right, so next what we're going to do, down a bit here, is you want to take the bottom part and kind of fold everything up and under. And this is super easy to do. You just basically taking this part and holding it up, okay? And you can work your way around a little bit. All right, so you're gonna come to your paper clips on the side and just go ahead and get your mouth set up there and just hold the paper clips and flop that top part to the back part as it's up kind of like a bag around your head like here. And you just flop it over the top, just like that. So it's kind of like a mouth here. It's over the top of your head, okay? And now you just take that and you go around behind and you hook it together, hopefully. Let's see here. All right, so just going to be like that. It's easier if someone's doing it for you, but it can be done. And I demonstrate just like that. Hook them together. All right, so here we go. We got the mouth going here, and then once it's on, you can adjust it however you want. You know, my eyebrows are a little off because of the way this T-shirt was. I kind of modified it a little bit, and so my eyebrows are off a little bit, and there's my hair on there too. So, anyways. Turned out not too bad. I'm kind of liking the whole mouth thing. You can like twist it around a little bit or whatever. But you guys get the general idea. Also, if you want, you can take these the little sleeves out and you can tuck that behind if you want, or you can put it in your shirt. You know, and just kind of wear it like that or whatever. So you can put some sunglasses on right over there and be like the Invisible Man or whatever. But this is kind of offers 2 layers of the cloth to offer protection for whatever. So you can have fun and by making these, design however you want. Also, you know, challenge your family members who can make the best mask or whatever, you know, and have fun while you're being safe. So anyways, thanks for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it. I'll try to think up some other ideas for these masks. They're hard to come by, and if we could just make some kind of coverings, you know, out of regular household items. Also be careful with the if you're using markers or whatever, don't use the ones that have the strong fumes. You obviously don't want that over your mouth when you're breathing in or whatever. So thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you next time.